How to change region on PS5. So hello viewers and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how to change region on PS5. So without delaying any further, let's get started. So first of all, download any type of preferred VPN. Then the next step is installing VPN. This is simple as well, as you will need to download the setup file from its website, double click on it and follow the steps to install it. Mind you, this takes about a minute to complete, after which the icon on your desktop will appear. Open the application now and sign in. Use the credentials you provided to VPN while purchasing it. In doing so, the app's dashboard will appear and it will look like this. After that, simply connect to a server in another country. Now, how to change my PSN region using VPN? Well, it's rather simple. So first, you need to decide on which region you want. The United States is a great choice to start with since it offers the best discounts and cheap prices. However, you can try going for choices like Argentina and Turkey, for example, where you will also find very affordable games. Nevertheless, we'll connect to a server in the US just to show how it functions. I did that by clicking on the United States flag in the upper left part of the app window. Once you click on it, VPN will establish a connection to a server in that country in about 2 seconds, which will give you an IP address from the country you want. Now the next step is make a new PSN account. Unfortunately, the only way to change the PSN region and PS5 and PS4 is to make a new PSN account. If you have a separate email address, now it's a good time to use it. Visit the PSN website and find the option to sign up. Right here you will have the option to choose your PSN country. As you can see, I selected the US based on the server that I am connected to. When prompted to enter an address and postal code of the region you selected, use a fake address that you can get from the generators online. Finally, proceed to the next step. Choose your username and confirm the account creation. Now, you will need to verify your account by going to your email address as well, after which the account will be created successfully. After that, you need to simply turn on your PS5 or PS4 and sign in. After that, you can change your region. So in this very simple step, you could change your region in PS5. So hope this video was helpful for you. Until the next video, bye bye and take care.